them failing. My Ashva should have retired years ago, but he doesn't think I'm ready. You have no idea how hard they've worked, or what they've had to endure. The family they left behind. How do you repay a sacrifice that big? It all feels like a burden. How can I say that? I'm a bad daughter.
Hey, no. You're doing your best.
Ashva, you okay?
Yes. Just too much to fix.
I'll take care of it. You need to rest.
You prove I can trust you. I'm so lucky I have you.